The first entrepreneur to take on the dragons tonight is London-based Simon Wilde.
Wild by name and wild by nature.
Whose inspiration for his household invention came from an unusual source.
My product came about by remembering a riddle that one of my children had told me, which was, what goes up a chimney down, but won't go down a chimney up? An umbrella. My name is Simon Wilde and I am the inventor of Chimella, the chimney umbrella. It's designed to help you save energy and save money.
It's fantastic.
Your product looks good, it's packed well, it's easy to use. Every little detail is superb.
24 hours a day, 7 days a week, your chimney draws out all the heat from inside the house.
Love the brand,
Thank you.
love the packaging, love the product.
I would not in any way do anything else but congratulate you on the product that you have developed and created.
I can see the passion, the drive, the belief that you've got in your product.
It changes your life.
You have really solved a problem.